In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this JAMB commerce problems under legal aspect of business. So we're going to focus on the subtopic elements of valid contract and remedies to breach of contract. So we have about 15 to 16 quick questions to practice with. Let's get started. The first question here says the basic elements of valid contract are we have offer, acceptance, intention, capacity, and legality. Offer, intention, acceptance, and legality. Offer, acceptance, capacity, legality, and consideration. Offer, acceptance, consideration, and witness. The right answer to this question is option C, which is offer, acceptance, capacity, legality, and consideration. Okay, so that's it for this question. The next question, this one, it says the major parties to an agency relationship are the principal and the agent. Option B. Next question, a minor is not permitted to enter into a valid contract because he is too young to interpret the law, is young in the eyes of the law, cannot pay the consideration, may not be able to write the contract. The right answer is option B, is young in the eye of the law. Next question, when one person approves an act previously done by another in the former's name without authority, this is known as ratification. Option B. Okay, next question, to make simple contract valid, the intention must be legal and binding. Option C. Okay, very important. Next question, a person who is cheated in business transaction can seek legal remedy even if the agreement is verbal and the amount involved is large, only if the business is a sole proprietorship whose owner is known, regardless of the form of business organization, only if the transaction is documented in the contract. The right answer is option C, regardless of the form of business organization. Next question, Mustafa and Eunice entered into a contract for the sale of 2 baskets of colloquially belonging to Eunice before the dates of delivery and without any default by Eunice. The colloquially were stolen by some houses. This is an example of termination of contract by frustration. Option C. Okay, next question, which of the following must be present in an agency by agreement? So it's consent. Option A. Next question, who is liable for the contract entered into by the agent on behalf of his principal? So is the principal. Option D. Next question, who is liable for the contract? So this is the question. The right answer is option C, the principal. Next question, a motor dealer who agreed to sell a car to Mr. X but sold and delivered it to Mr. Y on the delivering date to Mr. X, he has discharged his contract by breach. Option B. Okay, next question is this one. It says Q, acting as the agent of P, lawfully and reasonably incurs an amount of 350 naira as expense if Q comes to P for payment. This is instance of P's duty to reassert Q, remunerate Q, simplify Q, indemnify Q. Right answer is option D, to indemnify Q. Indemnification is simply the act of compensation for a loss incurred or a damage. Okay, so the next question is this one. It says an agent must not make any secret profit in the performance of his duties but can be rewarded by his principal through payment of commission and salary, remuneration and indemnity, forwarding of business links, granting of business concession. The right answer to this question is option B, remuneration and indemnity. Okay, option B. The last question for end this video is this one. It says a common element in our contract is agreement. So guys, this basically can see problems involving legal aspect of business. Focus with the subtopic elements of valid contract and remedies to breach of contracts. We practice about 14 to 16 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you have subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel. Watch a link from the video. If you seem to have any specific question as regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to request in the comment section below and I should give you a response. Also ensure that a part of the channel membership by clicking JAMB board so you get improvement information, help you to stay like a JAMB and other exams will be writing. Alright, so you know this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.